Okay, so we're now doing the balance sheet, and the very first item on the balance sheet has to do with cash. So as I showed just now, the cash balance is 8,200. So I'm going here, 8,200. Accounts receivables would be taken from the income and sales sheet, which shows that the amount outstanding is $350. So we put 350 there. We already have the 100 for the stock on hand and the 500 for equipment. So total assets 13,650. There's no overdraft. Accounts payable would be under expenses, and expenses shows that 600 is still outstanding. So I put 600 here. We already have the 4,000, so total liabilities will be 4,600. The capital that was invested of 10,000, and then we need to figure out if they made a profit or loss, which we already did, and there was a loss of 950. So we're going to subtract the 950, and it should total to the same amount as assets, which is 13,650. Okay, so that's the balance sheet right there, step by step, everything that we did. If it's not part of the expenses or income, you adjust the balance sheet directly. The last thing to do is the cash flow. And in the cash flow, we want to find out how much money was received from sales. We would go to the cash balance account, and that will give us all the information about money received from selling juices. So here we have the 1800. So if you have a calculator, you will add up the 1800 plus the 2000 plus 1650 plus, it should be 5 amounts in this particular case because there were 5 weeks, 2600. That's this one right here. And then finally the 1250. Okay, so that adds up to total amount of sales from cash will be 9,300. They did not get any cash from loan, but they did get cash from the owner, which was 10,000.